हेलो बच्चों, गुड मॉर्निंग। स्नैपशॉट्स जो बुक है उसका फर्स्ट लेसन हमने प्रीवियस वीडियो में उसकी रीडिंग शुरू की थी। आज हम इस रीडिंग को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। लेट्स स्टार्ट द रीडिंग ऑफ दिस लेसन स्नैपशॉट से। Well, it seemed to me stealing a horse for a ride was not the same thing as stealing something else, such as money. For all I knew, maybe it wasn't stealing at all. If you were crazy about horses the way my cousin Murad and I were, it wasn't stealing. It wouldn't become stealing until we offered to sell the horse, which of course I knew we would never do. Let me put on some clothes, I said. All right, he said, but hurry. I leaped into my clothes. I jumped down to the yard from the window and leaped up onto the horse behind my cousin Murad. That year we lived at the edge of town on Walnut Avenue. Behind our house was the country, vineyards, orchards, irrigation ditches, and country roads. In less than 3 minutes, we were on Olive Avenue, and then the horse began to trot. The air was new and lovely to breathe. The feel of the horse running was wonderful. My cousin Murad, who was considered one of the craziest members of our family, began to sing. I mean, he began to roar. These are the difficult words meaning stealing चोरी करना, offered presented पेशकश करना, leaped jump उछलना, edge razor blade या धार, vineyard अंगूर के बाग, orchard बगीचे, irrigation सिंचाई, olive जैतून, craziest capricious पागलपन, roar थंडर गर्जन, walnut अखरोट, trot तेज चलना. Every family has a crazy streak in it somewhere, and my cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of the crazy streak in our tribe. Before him was our uncle Khosrow, an enormous man with a powerful head of black hair and the largest moustache in the San Joaquin Valley. A man so furious in temper, so irritable, so impatient that he stopped anyone from talking by roaring, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." That was all. No matter what anybody happened to be talking about, once it was his own son Arak running 8 blocks to the barber shop where his father was having his moustache trimmed to tell him their house was on fire. This man Khosrow sat up in the chair and roared, "It is no harm, pay no attention to it." The barber said, "But the boys say your house is on fire." So Khosrow roared, "Enough, it is no harm, I say." Descendant, progeny, वंशज, streak, resection, लकीर, tribe, जनजाति, enormous, giant, विशालकाय, mustache, whiskers, मूछ, impatient, बेताब, attention, meditation, ध्यान, trimmed, well ordered, छांट देना, furious, violent, क्रोधित, temper, nature, स्वभाव, irritable, jittery, चिड़चिड़ापन, roaring, thunder, गर्जन, harm, loss या चोट. My cousin Murad was considered the natural descendant of this man, although Murad's father was Zorab, who practical and nothing else. That's how it was in our tribe. A man could be the father of his son's flesh, but that did not mean that he was also the father of his spirit. The distribution of the various kinds of spirit of our tribe had been from the beginning capricious and vagrant. We rode and my cousin Murad sang. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country where, at least according to some of our neighbors, we belonged. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. Spirit, soul, atma, capricious, prankish, मनमौजी, vagrant, stalling, आवारा, neighbor, पड़ोसी, descendant, Scythian, वंशज, practical, usual, व्यवहारिक, various, different, विभिन्न, capricious, whimsical, चपल. At last my cousin Murad said, "Get down, I want to ride alone." "Will you let me ride alone?" I asked. "That is up to the horse," my cousin said. "Get down." "The horse will let me ride," I said. We shall see, he said. Don't forget that have a way with a horse. Well, I said, any way you have with a horse, I have also. For the sake of our safety, he said, let us hope so. Get down. All right, I said, but remember, you have got to let me try to ride alone. I got down and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, Wazir, run! The horse stood on its hind legs, snorted, and burst into a fury of speed that was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. My cousin Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch, crossed the ditch on the horse, and 5 minutes later returned dripping wet. राइट पाथ या सवारी करना, सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी सुरक्षा, स्नॉटेड सूंघना, वर्स्ट ब्लास्ट विस्फोट होना, फ्यूरी रेज बहुत ज़्यादा, क्रोध होना, शेष बेटा ये क्रोध है यहाँ सही कर लीजिएगा, रोष, लवलीएस्ट ब्यूटिफुल या प्यारी, दिस इज गुस्सा या क्रोध. द सन वॉज कमिंग अप. Now it's my turn to ride, I said. My cousin Murad got off the horse. Ride, he said. I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. The horse did not move. Kick into his muscles, my cousin Murad said. What are you waiting for? We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. I kicked into the muscles of the horse. Once again it reared and snorted, then it began to run. I didn't know what to do. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down the road to the vineyard of Dekram Halebian, where it began to leap over vines. The horse leaped over 7 vines before I fell. Then it continued running. My cousin Murad came running down the road. Movement, instant, पल, awful fears, भयंकर, imaginable, कोलोरेबल कल्पनीय, मसल्स ब्रॉन मांसपेशियां, इरिगेशन सिंचाई, वाइन्स क्लाइंबर लताएं, डिचेस खाई. I am not worried about you, he shouted. We have got to get the horse. You go this way and I will go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly, I will be near. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field toward the irrigation ditch. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. All right, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. What will we do? I said. Well, he said, we will either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. He didn't sound worried and I knew he had hide him and not take him back. Not for a while at any rate. Where will we hide him? I said. I know a place, he said. How long ago did you steal this horse? I said. It suddenly dawned on me and he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. Worried, attent, चिंतित, shout, exclaim चिल्लाना, राइड्स पाथ सवारी, इरिगेशन सिंचाई, डिचेस खाई, हाइड छिपाना, स्टील थीप चुराना, स्टीलिंग चोरी. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you begin riding every morning? Not until morning, he said. Are you telling the truth? I said, of course not. He said, but if we are found out, that's what you are to say. I don't want both of us to be liars. All you know is that we started riding this morning. All right, I said. He walked the horse quietly to the barn of a deserted vineyard, which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Fetwazian. There was some oats and dry alfalfa in the barn. We began walking home. Found मिल गया, quietly, silently, चुपचाप, deserted, secluded, वीरान, liars, चैरिटियन, झूठे, वाइनयार्ड, अंगूर के खेत, अल्फल्फा एक तरह की घास. It wasn't easy, he said, to get the horse to behave so nicely. At first it wanted to run wild, but as I have told you, I have a way with a horse. I can get it to want to do anything I wanted to do. Horses understand me. How do you do it? I said. I have an understanding with a horse, he said. Yes, but what sort of an understanding? I said. A simple and honest one, he said. Well, I said, I wish I knew how to reach an understanding like that with a horse. You are still a small boy, he said. When you get to be 13, you will know how to do it. I went home and ate a hearty breakfast. Behave, कंपार्ट, व्यवहार करना, नाइसली, ब्यूटिफुली, अच्छी तरह से, अंडरस्टैंड, पेंट्रेट, समझना, ऑनेस्ट, सिंसियर, ईमानदार, वाइल्ड, वुडेड, जंगली, सरे, चार पहियों वाली गाड़ी। बच्चों, इसके साथ ही ये जो मैंने इसमें अभी रीडिंग आपको कराई, और ये ध्यान रखिए आप अच्छी तरह इसकी रीडिंग करिए। नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इस चैप्टर को हम फिनिश करेंगे। इसके वर्ड मीनिंग आपको लर्न करने हैं और अपनी नोटबुक पर लिखने हैं। Till then, happy learning. Thank you very much.